There you go.
Whoa.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Felt that
you.
all the way through there?
Yes, I did. Thank
yep,
you.
Good. Yeah, you decompressed well today. That's good.
Yeah.
Yep.
All the way.
All the way.
All the way.
You did good. Like I said, we gotta do that a few times to see how much we can kind of improve it and stuff, you know?
Yeah.
Reflexes are still really, really good. Actually, this one's a little stronger than before.
What it is?
Remember that one was lighter?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's jumping better now.
Yeah,
I couldn't get it to go over there.
It was. Yeah.
That's perfect.
Yeah. Thank
That's
you.
good. You're welcome.
How you feel?
Great.
Good.
Feel normal again.
All right, good.
Yeah.
Good. Pain was a 6. Where is it right now?
0.
Good.
I don't feel anything.
Good.